120 words per minute. Get ready. Start. When the case was taken up on 31st 5 2018, learned counsel for opposite party number 2 reiterated the same objection as was raised by him on an earlier date, that is, 6 4 2018, when the following order came to be passed. Stop. Para. Heard the learned counsel for the parties. Stop. Para. The petitioner has filed this writ petition for quashing of the order dated 12 1 2018, passed by the Deputy Director of Consolidation, Ambedkar Nagar, whereby the revision filed by Syam Narayan was dismissed, but the revision filed by the opposite party number 2, was allowed. Stop. Para. The learned counsel for the opposite party number 2 has raised a preliminary objection with regard to the maintainability of the writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Stop. It has been submitted that the order sought to be quashed is a judicial order, and in view of the law laid down by the Honorable Apex Court in the case of Radheshyam and another versus Chabinath and others, 2015, within bracket 5 bracket close, SCC 423, the writ petition under Article 226 against judicial order of civil court is not maintainable. Stop. A coordinate bench of this court in the case of Suraj Singh versus Deputy Director of Consolidation, 2016, within bracket 34 bracket close, LCD 1860, has held that though the judgment of Radheshyam is in respect of civil court, but the same will equally apply to revenue court also. Stop. Para. In view of the above, the petitioner is directed to satisfy the court as to how, in view of the aforesaid legal position, the writ petition for quashing of the judicial order under Article 226, is maintainable. Stop. Para. List this petition for hearing on admission on 18th April, 2018. Stop. Para. In order to repel the preliminary objection raised by learned counsel for opposite party number 2, Sri I.D. Sukla, learned counsel for the petitioner, has placed reliance upon a catena of judgments to make out a distinction between the revenue consolidation courts and civil courts, and thus, it is argued that the revenue consolidation courts, not being strictly the courts in essence, would thus, not be covered under the judgments mentioned in the order, on the basis of which a preliminary objection has been raised. Stop. Para. The judgment cited by Sri I.D. Sukla may be mentioned as under. Stop. Para. This court does not find it proper to venture into the distinction between the civil courts and revenue consolidation courts, for the simple reason that the Code of Civil Procedure under Section 5 by itself defines the revenue courts being different from that of the civil court under the CPC, and for ready reference, Section 5 within bracket 2 bracket close of CPC may be extracted as under. Stop. Para. Section 40 of the UP Consolidation of Holdings Act, 1953 provides as under. Stop. Para. Proceedings before settlement officer consolidation, consolidation officer and assistant consolidation officer to be judicial proceedings. Stop. A proceeding before a director of consolidation, deputy director, consolidation, settlement officer, consolidation, consolidation officer and assistant consolidation officer, shall be deemed to be a judicial proceeding within the meaning of section 193 and 228, and for the purpose of section 197 of the Indian Penal Code. Stop. Para. Even if the revenue courts stand distinctly defined under the CPC, but essentially the discharge of judicial function by the revenue consolidation courts by and large have trappings of the civil courts, and it is for this reason that a coordinate bench of this court in the case of Suraj Singh versus Deputy Director of Consolidation, 2016 within bracket 34 bracket close LCD 1860, in paragraph 5 has observed as under